Okay, hello, good morning. Let's see, do we have everything here? Yes, we do. Interview chat, no reason to do that. Okay, so Gianmarco isn't here yet. He'll probably pop in a little bit later. But I did some work on our edit PR proof of concept, and I'm just, it's a while ago, so I'm just going through it to figure out what the hell did I do? Because when Gianmarco and me left off last time, we were applying diff to lines so that we would actually produce the result, and also being able to go and grab the file contents. So you would just say, I have this data on this file, get me the file contents at the point of SHA-2 or at this commit reference. So we got that working. And then I got into manipulating diffs. So these are like utilities. I just have to get my head back into this. Get change indexes by line. Oh, there he is. Hello? Oh, no, it's not muted. There we go. In the green room? Does that mean I have to click something? No,
What's the green room?
Oh, there you are.
I have a webcam problem.
Yeah.
So, I noticed that the default in this service is this nice colorful thing.
Yeah.
So that's me right now. I'm colorful.
Yeah. It fits you, Gianmarco.
I'm usually always wearing black, so yeah, it makes sense.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. I just woke up basically.
Oh, nice.
So I had my Italian fuel, which is coffee, by the way.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I'm sitting here drinking coffee as well. Yeah, I was just going through the we kind of have to exercise a little bit. You know, you have to warm up to get into the mental game of this thing.
I don't know how to put you in full screen.
Oh yeah.
Oh god. There is no full screen button.
Oh, there is, like, it's hidden.
Oh, it's hidden. Nice. I
Yes.
like challenges.
I think I haven't seen like the interview mode, but there's like in the top right, I think Alex found a button. It's like it's very unintuitive. Or you can like
yeah. I will zoom the window
yeah, or just do that. It's
right.
kind of funny that they made it so difficult, but there's actually a difference in Firefox and Chrome.
Oh.
But yeah, I'll figure that one out. So yeah,
it's functional. I can see your text.
Okay, good. Yeah, because the last time we looked at this, we looked at like applying diffs to lines. That we had some lines, we had a diff, we applied the diff to those lines, and then we got like the new result. And then we even went as far as stating, okay, I have this data now on this file. Given this SHA, oh shit, that's loud. 2 seconds. Given this file at this SHA, give me the contents or give me the lines. So that's working. And then
so we're done basically. We're basically done.
Yeah, basically.
Now we just need to do everything else.
Yeah. So the step I took on my own, because I just got excited, is that I've started implementing like moving the diffs around.
Okay.
And I was just here, this is just a low level utility, get change indexes. Yeah. So this is
so this finds a change by the line you pass.
Yeah. So you kind of, I think this utility is to kind of like iterate all the lines.
Nice.
when you display it, and then you can like on this line, what is the
Yes.
what
Also,
are the
you have
changes?
this diff1 something in there, so you will find that, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So
And
yeah,
it
get
gets
change
in that.
indexes. So you get multiple indexes. Yeah, basically you just
Nice.
say these are the changes for this file. Give me all the lines that has changes. I think that's
Great.
the utility. Yeah.
Okay.
And then should remove lines from changes. This is actually also a low-level thing. Maybe we want to, like we talked about, you shouldn't actually be able to remove stuff from the diff. You should only be able to like override. So this is also a low-level thing because you want to, when you move a diff from one SHA to the other, you have to like remove the line from the first SHA and then add it to the other SHA. So it's also considered low-level. And the way this works is that you just point to the changes of a commit SHA and you say remove line 2, and then it actually goes through because that's an array. That it might have like multiple changes to line 2, like stacked changes. So it actually removes all of them. And then there is this other low-level thing called merge changes. Where the hell is the expect? There it is. Yeah. So it merges the changes of SHA-1 with SHA-2. Yeah, so this is like there are two in the interaction in the UI, there are two levels of moving changes. It's like moving all changes from one SHA to another, or you can go into a commit and remove or move specific lines.
But you didn't implement this yet.
Oh, this is implemented.
Oh, why are the diffs the same?
Yeah, that's not what I'm trying to figure out. So here we're merging. Yeah, merge changes. Maybe this is where I got to.
Like the test is correct, but because you don't have any change in one of the two.
Oh wait, it's actually not the same. So this is, you see I pass in two arrays here.
Yes.
But the result is one array.
Right. Okay.
So we're not actually merging them into each other. We're just kind of stacking them in an array.
Interesting.
And that is the key.
Like what?
Sorry.
Like why do you need this for?
Yeah. So this is like when you, for example, in this case, you're saying that I want all the changes on SHA-2 to now be related to SHA-1. You don't want to overwrite the existing SHA-1 content, which is that the file was added. You just want to say, but I also did this on SHA-1, because now you still have the history of those two things.
Yeah.
So each commit is basically now. So each commit starts out with a single item in their array, which is what happened in that SHA. And then when we move stuff around, we just add to that array. We don't remove anything in the.
Oh, okay. So now we have like an additional structure on top of the usual.
Yes, exactly. Spec. And then the utility just extracts information from this array to figure out, okay, what's the actual change type here? Yes. What are the actual changes on line 2 and 3 and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I'm taking the merge changes and I'm merging now another SHA-2 change, which has a diff on line 1. Yeah, and now you can see it had a match here. So we have the same array with SHA-1 and SHA-2, but since I now moved a SHA-2 change into the same array, it actually merged it because it had the same origin SHA.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so so that's the merging. Like it merges the same SHAs together, but keeps the history of each individual SHA.
In case you want to go back, right?
Exactly. Yes.
We need some UI around this, otherwise.
Yes, it's very
stare at tests and not understand anything.
Yeah, but it's interesting. Yeah, really good. This is a nice way of since we don't have the UI, this is a nice way to kind of go through it for others as well. Yeah, so this is so here are the actual this is what the UI will actually use, and that is move lines to previous commit. So this is using all the other low-level utilities. Where I'm basically just saying I have this data on this file name on this SHA, move line to left.
Why are you saying previous commit? Like, are you imagining just moving back one?
Yes. And I'm not sure if that needs to be constraint, but in terms of the UI that's built now, it makes sense, and I think the constraint needs to be there.
Can I see something?
Yeah.
No, can I see something? Not say.
Oh,
something.
see something. Sorry.
It wasn't suspenseful silence.
Yeah, I thought you said say something.
Like you said.
Can I just say something? I don't like this. But yeah, let's see if we can.
You said you have some UI built already.
Yeah, there's. It's actually done. Like not the final result of the UI, but in terms of seeing the interactions and everything. It's actually done. Yeah, so I guess the thing that I haven't implemented, which we can look at after we look at the UI, is moving to the next commit.
So you just jump one at a time, right? So it's like an arrow or something that you go.
It's actually super cool. I actually spent some time on this, Gianmarco. I think you'll be impressed.
Don't oversell it.
Sorry. Let's see. Maybe I should. I'm going to open it in VS Code, and let's see. There should be something running here. Do I have a task for this? I don't think I have a task for this. No. Maybe we can add one. Wasn't there like a? New task.
Oh yeah, you can also do it from the command palette directly. You can just type yarn whatever, and then you can,
like this.
And it doesn't work anymore apparently.
Okay.
This should work.
Okay. Yeah, so we have yarn dev should start. I'm just trying to remember. Yeah, because that starts both the server and. Oh, shouldn't that new task?
I think we have a bug here.
Yeah, this is weird.
Like this used to work where you type whatever command.
Yeah, exactly.
And it identified that it was your package manager.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, just open a terminal, I think.
We can add it here.
Oh yeah.
The name is run UI or something. Command yarn dev. Well, that's weird.
Yes.
And oh my god, there are multiple bugs here. It should have popped up.
Yeah, there's something very bad going on with this.
Oh well.
Can you try reloading just in case? I want to see if it loads the new.
Yeah, because I actually flagged this to Alex already. That because I was trying to add. Then the tasks were actually added, but they didn't pop up in the list. Yeah, so they still don't pop up. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's interesting. Okay. So this. Oh, it actually opened up. Okay, so you kind of get the sense of this.
Okay.
So what we're going to see here, moving on, is that like this. It's actually taking the current branch we're working on.
Okay.
So it's kind of live in that sense. But you would typically have multiple commits here.
Yes.
So now we don't really have a commit, so it creates like a default commit, which is like the pending changes. But here you see that it starts, it's actually highlighting the stuff we just added. Oh, where is this coming from? How does this code actually work? Because we did a ton of changes. Oh, that's interesting. Anyways.
I guess you're looking at the... Wait, what?
What? I'm not sure why this works. Oh.
Are you checking it against our Git API, like picture Git?
No, this is a completely custom thing.
And what? Why does it work?
Yeah, it's weird. But anyways, you kind of get the sense of it, because you can imagine having multiple commits as tabs at the top here.
Okay.
And then what you would do is that
Can you
you would
make
use...
another commit? Like, can we show that?
Yeah, let's do that. Add dev task. Yeah, and let's make another change. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good
Nice.
change.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Also, it's only showing the
yeah, so
trending
that's the
changes,
pro. Okay, yeah, so there's something going wrong here. So we should just dive into the UI. But yeah, so it would have 2 commits now. And yeah, I see that it's not working the arrows. So what you would be able to do here is that you would be able to select these modified lines.
Okay.
And it would actually be a selection, and then you could hold, I think it's Command, and you would just tap the left cursor, and then it would just move you to the previous commit.
I want to see that.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah. Okay, so let's... I haven't looked at the client code in a while, but it's... where the hell is it? Pages, API. Where's the actual UI code for this?
Maybe you just put everything in index.
Exactly, I did.
Let's not show this to anyone that comes to interview.
Yeah. Well, it's a proof of concept. I can hide behind that for a long time.
You proved one concept for sure.
Okay, so let's find the start of this thing, because it has some... Yeah, I want to use VS Code because it's pretty heavy on typing. Let's see, I can make it a bit larger. Okay. Oh, isn't that... Oh, get smaller. There we go. And I guess the start of it is down here. Yeah, home. Okay. So I'm... Yeah, so this is the endpoint that actually gives me the changes. So I just want to verify first that we actually produce... Oh, I think that's the issue. We haven't changed the changes endpoint that actually produces the new data format. Okay. To take advantage of these. Yeah, you see here, PR data. It's actually not the new PR data. So I guess we need to fix that first. Let's see, where's the typing? There's the typing. Oh yeah, so we have data now. That's the thing we want to produce. Data. Are you coming from... Yeah. So you have the commits, and I think the commits are already correct. Where do we create the commits? There we are. Yeah, so it sorts it by date, and then it gives it an ID, the changes, and a message. Is that how we see commits? ID, message, and changes. Yes. So commits are okay. And then it's supposed to be... Is it actually... And files, is this correct? Oh, maybe it is correct. But files is a string with initial wait a minute. This is just a string with... What about the changes?
The changes are in the commits.
Oh yeah, sorry. Oh, that's how we structured it. Okay, so each commit has a... Yeah, I can't remember all of this, but it's a record of the changes. And then the changes, and the change is Yeah, it has a diff and a type. Okay. And is that actually what we're building here? Yeah, path. That's the file. It's a type. But I don't think this is correct. It's supposed to be... I think it's supposed... A change is not supposed... It's supposed to be an array of changes.
A change is supposed to be an array of changes.
Yeah, like to kind of...
instead of a record.
Yeah, so it's like the record is the file name, and then...
Oh, yeah.
But wait a minute, this is wrong, because this is supposed to be... This is supposed to be like a record, and here the string is the commit SHA. Oh, wait a minute, there's something weird here. But aren't we using... So where's the... Yeah, we have this other data. Where's the fixtures we created? Didn't we create like a...
I don't remember that.
Like we... Yeah, there we are. Fixtures. Here we can see how it's supposed to look.
Oh, yeah, right.
So data... Oh, PR data. Oh, PR types. Okay, yeah, so we are... Okay, sorry. So we created a new... Oh, yes. So we have this new PR folder, and this represents all the new stuff. So it is actually... So the API should now consume the types from... where the hell did the API go? There we are. So it was actually correct. It should be PR data, and that's coming from the utils. So now it's yelling at us.
Now we get the errors. Nice.
Yes. Yes. So commit should just be... yeah, here we go. PR commit. It's just the commit SHA and the message. Okay, cool. So let's fix the commits first. What was it? God damn it. Commit SHA. Yeah, here it's giving it an... Okay, let's just... Let's put trust in the typing. Yeah, I wonder, this is all changes. Does that mean all changes gives actual commits? Yeah, I think so. And this should be... Why is it yelling? Oh, does it have an ID? It shouldn't have an ID.
But...
Oh, sorry. This should be PR commit.
Wait, the map, the generic from map is the one that returns? Yeah, because it already has the input type. Okay. Today I learned this very basic thing.
Yeah. Okay, so now we have the commits, and then we want initial file contents, and that's basically what files is now.
Files is, yeah, right.
I think.
Except they are incompatible.
Yeah, it should be file name and the string. Oh yeah, and but now it's it should just be... Okay, let's call it initial file content instead. Where is that?
At the top. Yeah. Line 40.
Files, yeah. So this should just be a string kind of thing. Oh, a string kind of thing. Notice how creative I am in the morning. Okay, this is interesting because now oh,
you need comments. God damn it.
Yeah, this was like hacked together.
You think too fast.
Yeah. It's like when I code, like when I do proof of concepts, it's like just creating a bunch of small what's it called? You know, the small notes, the yellow notes.
Oh, post-its.
Yeah, post-its. It's like a bunch of just post-its that you never remember what they meant when you get back to them. That's how I code.
Oh god.
But I actually think this change includes... Yeah, okay. So when we iterate all the changes, they contain each commit and their actual changes. So I do think we need like an intermediate format here, so that we kind of this commits, we can call it commits data. This just extracts everything we need, and then we map it to like, okay, here are the commits, here are the changes, kind of thing.
Okay.
But I can't remember. Does it go through? It has a change. Well, okay, I have to revert this. I can't remember what it did before. What did it do? How did it produce the changes? Oh, come on. Is it up here? Oh, it's empty. Oh, and then... Okay, and here it produces the... Oh, here it goes through all changes. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. This...
And pushes them to the proper commit.
Yeah, so we can actually have commits, and then this is where we produce the this is where we produce that other thing, target. Yeah, okay, yeah. So here it actually added it to the commit in the commits array, but we are going to produce a new map for this. So we have initial file contents, and then did we call it changes? PR changes? PR, god damn it.
PR commit, PR data.
Yeah. Maybe we should create a type for this. PR changes, and then we'll produce that. And then so our goal is to produce this object. PR changes. There we go. So now we have changes. So instead of targeting the commit and stuff, we should be able to just go through. Oops. So what the hell so it's the file name, the commit SHA, and then we have an array representing the actual change. That means, so this will be changes, path. I hate building objects like this, because now we have to check if we don't already have the path, add an object kind of thing. Maybe we can clean this up later.
Yeah, we can extract this just to our utility or something later.
And then we have the commit, and then I don't think it's is it possible? I think we're able to just create add the array here, because I don't think it's possible that this array actually have multiple, like in the initial data collector thing.
If the data is coming from Git, right?
Or it's coming from the local Git, type. Don't we have type? Oh, PR change type. PR change type. Add in, and then it's origin SHA would be change.hash, and then is the diff an array? I think it's supposed to be. It's an object. It's kind of funny, like they are like arrays being objects. It doesn't actually yell. Okay, but this is good. Like this is exactly. And maybe we can just do this. No, we don't have the path. Okay, anyways. So we'll just do exactly the same here. Changes. Change hash. It's an array. The diff is an object, and this should be PR change type deleted, and then origin SHA would be change.hash. And then we do the same. Oh, this one's interesting. Why do we need a previous commit hash? Oh yeah, I think it's yes. I don't think we should change this. It's how it evaluates the contents of the diff. Like this, all this parse, patch, git diff stuff, it just feels that I kind of found it at the end of the rainbow. And now I shouldn't change it. Should just trust that it works. Let's see. Change.hash. PR change type modified. And then origin is the change hash. Yeah, and this one's interesting because this actually gives an array, so we have to fix that as well. Why the hell is this? Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, so we have to convert this. Oh, freaking reduce. Patch, I guess. So this needs to be an object instead. And this would be the line. Oh, god damn it. Oh, don't we have logic for this? That sucks. Okay, so this patch that we're getting from git diff, it's quite complex. It has like hunks, and in a hunk you have the lines. Oh wait, did I actually? Oh, sorry, I reduced. No, I did reduce the parse patch. Yes. God damn it. Yeah, because that's what I didn't do last time. I just consumed these hunks directly, and I put a lot of logic in the client to kind of figure out the hunks, which I initially thought was a typo. I thought it was supposed to be chunks, and then, but they're actually called hunks. Yeah.
Need to Google that. A large piece of something, especially food.
Yeah. But yeah, we should look at this hunk because we need to we need to transform a hunk into an actual. We need to look at this object. Are we able to run this now? Just so we can look at this. I want to see if we can actually do that. Can I restart this? Where's the restart? Is it gone?
Is it another bug?
Yeah, something is very weird.
You shouldn't have to restart anything.
Yeah, maybe it's because it's not a task. It's not like connected now. Okay, let's just close it. And that's weird. Yeah, let's try opening it and see if we get. Did we get anything? No, it probably broke. Files is not defined.
Files.
Yeah, I think we. What's it called? Is we have an example. If we go to the. Was it diff? Yeah, it's just called npm diff. I think they have an example of a hunk, and then we have to write. Here we go.
Old start lines. Old start.
Yeah. So this is super tricky. Yeah.
Oh, it's consecutive changes.
Yes, exactly. And we basically have to convert a hunk into that object where the key is the line, and then we have this our own format for describing if it's an addition, a deletion, or but yeah, you can see here it has a minus in the front. So either it's like space, like a white space in the front, which is like nothing changed, and then it's deletion, and then it's addition. And then you have to go through, like I have logic for this. Where the hell is that logic? Maybe we can steal, we might be able to steal something in the, because I did a lot of hunk transformation. Let's see if I can find, or do I actually do that here? No. Hunk? No. There has to be some reference to hunk here. Oh, maybe I'm just calling it, what did I, it's the diff. It's called a diff in, sorry. Here it's called diff. Yeah.
So hunk is like, where is it coming from? Like this diff thing that you are calling. Can you turn down my volume, by the way? I can hear a lot of feedback.
Oh, on your own.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, on my. I guess I should turn it down on my computer. I should probably wear a headset when we do this. Is it better now?
I'm just very easily distracted.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
I don't hear it anymore.
Okay, great.
I was saying, where is this hunk thing coming from? Like, is this something that comes from the diff utility that you're using, or
sorry, where do we go?
This diff library, I guess.
Oh yeah, so this diff library is just package basically. So I'm combining two packages. I'm using let's see, I'm using diff, which is taking raw Git patches, like output from Git itself, the crazy format with all the stuff, and parses it into something consumable in JavaScript.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm using like simple Git to go and grab this like raw data from Git. And then I'm using, what the hell am I using Git parse for? I'm actually, yes, I believe git diff is actually grabbing, this git diff is actually going low level using Git and grabbing the actual Git patch, and then I'm shoving that into this diff parse patch, which actually produces the hunks.
Shove the diff thing into your format.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I think what I'm doing in the client, if I remember correctly, is that I just have these low-level hunks stuff, and I'm just shoving those around. I'm changing the hunks instead of this custom array that we built.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's...
So now you need to transfer these back to the...
Yeah, and that it just became like unmanageable. It was super hacky. Yeah, so I don't have any logic that actually... what I was curious about is how because I do consume like... when we had this example, like you have the old start and then new start. And I think like... what you do is that you... I can't remember exactly how this worked. Like you have... So if you have a deletion, so in this case you have a deletion and an addition, which means that old start and new start is the same. But you might have like multiple deletions, which means that the new start is now like smaller than the old start. And new lines is the number of lines, which is the result.
So yeah, this is basically saying that there is a change on line 4, and it is now line 5.
Yeah.
It's still the same number of total lines.
Yes.
So line 2 and line 3 are unchanged, and line 4 is now line 5.
Yes. Exactly, like the text, line 5, yeah. Yeah, so you have old lines, old number of lines, new number of lines. And then we have to, like the thing we need to, I don't think we really, what I'm curious about is like what we want to track is what has been deleted, what has been like replaced, what lines has a replacement, and what lines has an addition.
So we need to go by line, right?
Yeah. But the curious thing is like when you want to find what was deleted from the document, you have to...
You would have less new lines, I guess.
Yeah.
So new lines would be less than old lines.
Yeah, because this is
I think you can use that to know if it's an additional change or a deletion. You can check the number of lines.
Yeah, but I suggest we just copy this, and like it's very easy to produce fixtures for this.
Yeah.
So we can just start here, and then okay, we want to track deletions, and then we create a utility for converting this thing into an object which represents a deletion for us, and then
yes.
And then we'll just, go at it from there. Could we use well, we already have the diff. Maybe we could just use the existing diffs that we have. And then because what we're doing in the, wait a minute. We have PR server. Well, what the hell? We are going through the hunks. Did we fix this? Parse diff. Oh! We already have it.
You already have it. You do the parsing and everything. Like you just need to pass it to the...
We basically just have to... Because this parse diff should take... let's see. What does it expect to get? Oh, just the string. Yeah, and here we have the diffing thing. Oh my god. That's funny. So we don't actually have to do this anymore. We just have to give it the string. And then we use our new magical parse diff. Nice.
You forgot more work than you did.
Yeah, that's always a nice surprise to have. Let's see. Yeah, and then we have files renamed. That was like we spent, I don't know how much time we spent. That was the change. Oh my god. This is interesting. I haven't really reflected much on renaming, because is a rename, should it point to the old path or should it point to the new path? I guess new path. Do we even have a rename type? No, we don't even have a rename type. Well, we could
what
add...
what I see usually is like a single string with both. There is like this is something that I saw like from some Git utilities. You have the first the original file name and the destination file name as the file name. As the name of the path that changed. Yeah. There's like some tokens between them.
That's interesting. Okay, so that actually, so if you think about the list of changed files, one of those files is actually like just a long string of both of them. Yeah. It makes sense though. Yeah, let's try it.
We can also worry about that later.
Yeah, we don't have any renames. Let's do.
Yeah. Let's disable renames.
Yeah, to do add renames. Yeah, and this part of the code is return. Oh yeah. Oh god damn it. Okay. PR change type add in. Can I do this? Oh, I can't do that. Oh. Why can't I do this? It's not. Oh yeah, sorry. There we go. Modify.
What is these
functions?
No, the like the TypeScript token is.
Yeah, it's like a first class concept of I can't remember what they call it, but it's like validation functions. So when I do like is added and I point to a variable.
Wow, yeah.
And then so like inside the if it's actually the correct type now.
That's so nice.
Yeah, it's super nice, super nice.
I wish I knew this like 2 weeks ago. Great.
Yes, I'm just going to what's it called? Prettier. I don't think I have it installed. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is adding this additional pending commit with any ongoing changes. So I guess here we have to kind of create a fake commit SHA. Where is this coming from? Oh, okay, as PR. Yes. Could we oh god damn it. Okay, can we do unknown here? Like we don't know what this is. Nice. But as long as it actually is the thing, then it's returned as the thing. Nice. That's beautiful. Okay, so now we have the unstaged commit, but we aren't going to add the changes there. We're rather going to add the changes to the changes thingy. So we need to do this instead. And then this is an array of thingies. PR change type, add in the diff is this, origin SHA would be the one we created. Oh, we're getting close. PR change type, deleted, diff is an object, and origin SHA is commit SHA. And then if it's modified, commit SHA, change type, modify origin, and then the diff is our parse diff. Oh yeah, and then this is an array. Nice. Okay, so that's building up the pending commit. And then we have, yeah, producing the initial contents. And yeah, so it actually doesn't need to go through the commits here anymore because we now have the paths in, yeah, and this is initial file contents now. Yeah, we're just going through the changes, which, yeah, the first level of keys on changes is file paths. So we should be able to just say, and this is just string, and this should just be, there we go. Initial file contents, ppt boop. And then, oh, PR data. And are we green? Almost. Oh, changes. Yay! Okay, so now it should break beautifully. Maybe we could just, in the, where we fetch the data, we can just log it out for now. Data, and this should now be PR data. And where's the, yeah, data is PR data. Okay. Here we go. Let's see what it built. Okay, so it built. Oh. Shouldn't there be something in here?
This should be completely different.
Yeah.
Nice.
What the hell? Because we... what the hell? Let's see what... Oh, it's empty. Why is all changes suddenly empty? We haven't changed this part.
Yeah. There should be at least the 4 changes, right? The uncommitted ones.
No, they are those? Produced further down. At least in terms of the logging I added, they're not in the.
And because like you're doing since current commit hash, so it means that only the unstaged changes would be displayed. Oh no, it's origin. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it's supposed to take, but we have changed. Well, what we have done, we made changes to Git on our platform. I wonder if we don't have the information we need.
And try to run the command in the terminal.
Yeah.
And see what you get. What's git rev parts?
I
guess you can just do git diff.
What was it? Is it just rev parse like this?
Yes.
What do we call it? Banana? Oh, what's it called? Rev dash parse.
Yeah, rev dash parse, yeah. Oh, that's useful.
We can check the. Oh, we can search it on Google. We get some. Where is it? Edit PR. Oh, there we are. And we have banana. And we have this thing that ends. Is it the start? Yeah, F. Oh, sorry. We should check the commit. It starts with FA8A. What the hell is that? Oh, it's taking the current one. It's supposed to return the first one.
But instead it's returning what?
The last one, I think. Sorry, I'm jumping all over the place here. Where's the changes file? We can compare it here, it's easier. Oh, sorry. No, this is the current commit hash. Yeah, and then git to JS is supposed to give you all the changes it finds. No, current commit. Yeah, no, sorry. This should return the actual commit hash of the first, like the actual commit hash of the branch itself.
Okay. So the first diverging commit, I guess.
Yeah.
Which is on that one?
Maybe
Is it that? No, it's not that.
Merge base remote, but yeah.
Try, like, just for being lazy, can you just copy paste the SHA into the into the code so we can
yeah,
just like,
oh, sorry,
I'm embarrassed saying this, but just copy it.
No, that's again. So yeah, so this should there you go. $15. That's a lot of commits. Running green, but now it's getting all of them.
Yeah, you like you.
Oh,
you should get the all of them since you clicked on the last one, the first one, I guess.
Yeah, but it's
no.
But I don't understand it. Like if I create a PR out of this,
okay,
create pull request. I don't think I have
Good
all
name.
those. It's supposed to be 7 commits.
And then just copy this SHA, the last one, the first one, I guess, the update readme at the top. Yeah, this one, and use this one because you were using the first commit.
Yeah, but I'm confused. But
Yeah,
now I'm only getting.
If it's correct.
Since that commit.
Yeah.
But I want from this commit.
This is the last commit.
Yeah, or like it was the first commit on the branch. Like how the hell does Git produce this list? I want to do the same.
No, wait. This list is all the changes from this branch to origin, to main.
Well, that's
so
what
in
I'm.
This branch you have these commits.
Yeah, because that's what confuses me about Git. Like for me, my mental image of this is the first commit I made on this branch, and this is the last commit I made on this branch. It has nothing to do with origin.
No,
or
it's
main.
it's the other way around.
Oh, sorry. It's this is the first
That's
one.
why you were getting the weird bad results, because you took the last commit.
Oh, yeah, I never used this tab. That's confusing that you see the oldest one first. I don't know.
There's dates. Yeah. And now you
did
should
we
get
actually
all
try it?
those 6 or 7 commits.
Refresh. How many was it? Yeah, now it's correct. Yeah, sorry. Nice. It has all the commits in order. But yeah, so I guess that's the thing. I want to find this. This is the hash.
Okay, yeah, I remember having this problem with Jasper, and it was like it's called
yeah, because I thought doing origin current branch would kind of is the reference to the first commit, but yeah,
merge base.
Yeah, I saw that here. Merge base.
Main and banana, it should give you the
yeah.
Okay,
let's try running this one.
I had this problem with Jasper when we did our our sidebar with PR changes. It's the same thing.
What's the banana?
Oh no, it's main, I guess. Oh, you want to check local changes versus remote?
Or PR no. Changes? I have no idea what I'm doing, Gianmarco.
Then do origin main, I think, and banana, your local banana, not your remote banana.
That sounded for some reason that sounded more dirty. Like you only have banana, but when you say local banana, for some reason, that sounds dirty.
It's offensive almost.
But yeah, what should I type here?
Origin banana and banana, I guess, so we can see the local changes versus the pushed ones. And then, or you can do git merge base, remote, origin main, banana. So you can
so this is an actual branch name, the develop thing.
Yes,
I thought that was some kind of command or something.
No, it's a ref. So yeah, this is the commit that banana is branching off.
That's the one.
Main.
Let's try it. This is amazing. But yeah, because this is a great place to like end this now, is to actually, now we have the data in the client, and it's just, and we even teased the client a little bit, and now it's just wiring it together. Merge.
Base.
God damn it.
Oh God, it's not there.
Where's the Git
library again?
Simple Git.
Yeah, simple Git. And now they don't have the command.
Oh, this is actual Git.
Simple Git. You can just execute the command, by the way. Literally execute the command on with Node.
Oh yeah. Is that is that a thing? Exec?
Is that legal? Yeah. Oh no. Oh, you mean from this Git thing? I don't know.
We can try.
No, you call a function with exec.
Also supply. Yeah, run arbitrary function synchronously. Oh, before the next task? Oh no, it's a queuing system, I think.
Yes. No, I meant like node exec. You need to do like Git. The same command you just ran. Because I don't think they have this thing.
Any command against the Git binary.
Row. Oh, row. Nice.
Yeah, let's do that one.
It should be.
So we have.
And then merge base without Git, I guess.
Yeah. Merge base remote origin. Okay, I guess we can do main. It only supports. Then we do this, and it didn't need a wait, it said, for some reason. I found that a bit, yeah. Okay, what happens now? Nothing. Raw? Oh, response. What the hell is a response?
It's a promise, maybe.
Response. String.
The fuck is a response?
Oh, is it a... Okay, let's try. I thought it said that it didn't need to be... Again, okay, let's try. Yeah, because I would expect it to be a promise.
We have something.
It's not a Git
What
command.
is not? I can see your terminal there because there is your face on top of it.
Oh.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, merge base is not a Git command. Oh, maybe we are assuming APIs here. Not raw.
Yeah, but it shouldn't merge base.
Yeah, you need to like separate the command from the argument. So you go like merge base, then comma remotes, comma current branch.
Oh.
Like it's 3 arguments with 1.
Oh, does it take?
Whenever no. Follow me along. Like merge base, close the thing, the string, and then comma and the other one. Yeah, just like this.
Yeah, but is that the correct?
Yeah, I'm looking at the docs.
Oh,
courageous of me.
Oh, it has different signatures. Ah, okay. Yeah, that wasn't obvious from the...
This should be... Maybe current branch is...
Yeah, nullable. Like if we don't...
So just ignore this.
Okay. Let's do it. What?
It's empty. No, that's the worst case scenario. It's not executing the raw thing, maybe. No, it is. Oh god, the fuck. Why are you restarting the server every time? It doesn't. You don't need to do that.
Oh, but it has it. Oh, I probably have to trim it.
Why do you think that?
It seems to be a bunch of white spaces behind it.
Oh wow. That's stupid.
And it's raw, like it's no responsibility.
It's raw. What are you, Gordon Ramsay?
There we go.
Oh, nice. We end on a positive note, and
then
we will forget everything, and we will try to redo it.
But this is awesome. Like now we actually have... Well, now we have 8 commits, which is correct because we have the pending changes as well.
Great.
Okay, but now we have everything we need. We have the correct structure.
Wait, what does this mean? That the front end should show something now?
No, because the front end doesn't consume this structure.
Then that's a shame. Okay.
Oh, interesting. Yeah. But this is great. This is so nice. Let's server consuming new API. Nice. I think that's a rapture, Marco. And I'll remember to bring my headset when we do this thing.
So that I don't get distracted very easily by my own voice.
Yeah, exactly. No, but this is fun, and it's so great to being able to kind of talk about all the different things here, because there's so much here. And what I hope to do, like after the next session, where we actually get the UI running again, we can talk about like how you think about using that kind of UI, and then we can invite to a stream, and then we can like do a design engineer collaboration kind of thing.
Yes,
that would be
Sounds
awesome. Great. All right.
Please remember to add some kind of documentation to this before we forget everything? Like just write down something.
I'll do that.
Because if I hear the word hunk again out of context, I'm going to just snap.
Exactly. So I'll do that.
All right.
We'll talk later.
All right. Bye, Chris.
Bye bye.